Whew, does it feel good to be back? Lake X, it has been a swift minute. What's going on, team? John B here with yet another banger. I haven't seen you guys in quite some time. How are you? I hope Thanksgiving was great. Hope the holidays were awesome. I am in Ohio right now. And you guessed it, Lake X, visiting with my family. Last I left off, I think I told you guys I was gonna be leaving for quite some time, which of course I did. I was in Brazil with my boy Bryant for about 8 days. Those videos are going to drop soon, but just be a little bit patient because we really wanna make them awesome and we don't wanna just spit them out for you guys. We wanna really take our time with these ones. So that's coming up hot and steady. Also, after the Brazil trip, I linked up with the boys, the Guggen boys in British Columbia, and we fished with our good friend Kevin Estrada and Eve from Sturgeon Slayers, and we did like one of the most epic big fish challenges you guys will ever see. Like, I swear to God, you have no idea how. It like literally trumps all the videos we filmed in BC prior. Anyway, look out for that one. It's gonna be mega as well. We're fishing in the Midwest for one of my favorite fish, that being some LMBs, some largies. Where you at, largies? I'm so pumped for this. Stick with it, stay tuned, and enjoy. Let's get these fishes. Just a quick little news flash. I don't have any of my rods with me. I've been to like 3 different countries in the past week, so I've had like no time to pick up rods or figure out how to get rods. So I've got my grandpa's 610 casting. My dad fortunately brought one of my rigged rods. It's a little 7.3, and then I've got like a 6.6 ultralight spinning. So 2 spinning, 1 casting. Not the most ideal lineup for Lake X bites, but you know, I'm not gonna not fish because I don't have the right gear. I'm just gonna fish. Cool. Spinnerbait does whatever a spinnerbait can. Spins his bait anytime. Is yeet a noun or is that a verb? Is there someone that can update me on this? Because I oftentimes use it as a noun. But then again, I do use it as a verb too. What's that called if you can use it as a noun and a verb? Oh my God, spot number 346, here we freaking go. Nugget, dude, nugget. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Actually, I know what I'm doing wrong. I'm not fishing the right baits. Yo, you still down to the dock?
Yeah.
I was gonna fish this like one other spot, and I was gonna pick you up, and I was gonna see if you want to try for bluegill at the dam for a bit. All right, yeah, I'll fish for like 2 more minutes, and then I'll go pick you up, and then we'll just go. We'll try for bluegill.
I'll probably be in the shelter looking for you.
All right, yeah. Well, this bass fish is kind of bunk, so I'm ready to get some crappie or gills.
Let's do it.
All right, cool. All right, see you, bye. Well, almost broke the rods. All right, you ready? Funny thing is, neither of my dad can catch anything. I can't catch anything at the dam, he can't catch anything at the dock, so maybe if we both team forces, we can really, really skunk it up. Careful, she's a bit rocky. Oh God, oh God. I would love to help you, but content is key. I got it.
Well, you got your dad falling down a hill in Ohio. Why don't you get your dad falling in the pond in Ohio, too?
Yeah.
That was a roll.
If you want to sit up front.
Okay, sure.
As you go to the back, sorry.
Just don't ever forget who your first camera dad was.
That was you. Nice. Oh, there you go.
Fish.
Nice.
Is it a little bass? No.
It's a crappie.
Crappie, I'll be damned. This is proof that there is a fish in this lake.
Oh my goodness.
You know, he looks just about as tired as I am. Worked out really well.
Pale little white crappie.
Like I said, we were at this point one time, we killed him out here.
Yeah, there's been a few days where we've really wrecked them. Today's not one of those days though.
Yeah.
Good stuff, Bob.
Got it.
Biggest thing here to keep in mind is we didn't get skunked today. That's good. I'm happy about that. Okay. Let's try one more spot, and if that doesn't work, let's go home.
Good.
Let's go home and drink some brown water and sit by the fire and tell stories about all the big fish we didn't catch tonight.
Yeah.
All right, switch me. I had fun today.
You be in the water. I had fun today. I caught fish.
I don't know if I mentioned that today, but I haven't even gotten a single bite. Anyway, I'm gonna head inside, chill by the fire, pet my wiener, and drink some coffee. Think of a better game plan for tomorrow because this was, well, it just wasn't very good. What's up, gang? Okay. Let's crack open an ice cold bottle of low-cal cringe and jump right into some videos that I hope you guys never see. I guess up until this point you'll have to see them because today we're going to dive deep into the old John B. The much better John B, as some of you guys would probably say, back when I was JoJo Bars 33. For those of you guys who don't know this, Lake X is the birthing place of this channel. This is the first place I ever filmed a video at. It's video number 1. I've got 901 videos on my channel, and this was the very first one. So just to kind of set the scene and give you guys a little bit of background info as to why I'm doing this is because I'm back at Lake X. It's only fitting that we travel back in time and see what the old John B was thinking. Obviously, he wasn't thinking too hard because these videos are painful. Let's start off watching the first one. This is a classic. If you guys haven't seen this video, I'll leave a link in the description below, but this is my very first video ever. It was filmed in 2009. I edited it on June 9th, but it was clearly filmed either in the fall or spring. I think it was the spring, so it must have taken me roughly, I don't know, 2 months to film, another 3 months to edit and piece together. I had to do a little bit of narration, stuff like that. It's a big project for me. A masterpiece takes time. Woo! This is actually, I will miss the days when I called myself Fishing Midwest. Headbanger music, absolute headbanger music. Oh, and the intro keeps going. Let's just skip to the intro. Wow, it is a minute-long intro. I was wildin' back then. Okay, this right here is like the fucking OG shot. Like, as you can see, this was what Lake X was before, like, my parents had paved that way. Like, it was just dirt. There were more trees back then. It's crazy to see how this, like, the whole landscape changes like that. Anyway, there's me walking. I had to run back and grab the tripod. Epic, but so worth it. Oh, another walking shot. Bowling down to the lake. You already know how we do. Got my tackle box. Got my sweatshirt that's way too big for me. Even got the cargo pants on, too. Deadly. It's just, I'm not going to go into the whole video. We could really, really dive deep into something like this, but just want to show you guys what the videos were like back then. Yeah, wow. I'm not going to go into the whole video. Just want to give you guys a little smidge, a bit of a sample pack of what the videos were like way, way long ago, almost 10 years ago. We're approaching the decade mark. Jesus, oh my God. I don't believe this is a specific Lake X video, but it caught my attention. It only has 4,000 views. Titled Fishing in the Midwest. Song. I am also as interested as you guys are. This is a song I wrote. It's very simple and fun. It isn't that good, so please respect it and enjoy. Oh, hell yeah, I'm about to bump this. That's enough of that. You can see the cringe is really starting to hit my core a little bit there. I'm starting to cough. I'm expelling the cringe. What that unfortunately was a little music video that I put together with some pictures as a montage. I don't know. Maybe I was trying to get into the whole music video scene, but really didn't pop off quite yet, like Logan Paul and Jake Paul and all the rest of the guys. And that'll happen someday. Early spring bluegill fishing. The lost video. This is gonna be some intense shit, boys and girls. Click. Ooh, new intro. We got a new intro. Oh, hit. Yeah. Baddie on the hook set. That's oh wait, pause the video real quick. I don't know if you guys knew this, but when I was a kid, this actually sparks, wow. When I was a kid, my grandfather sort of kind of bought me a bass boat. It was like a conjoined ownership. He kept it at his place. It was technically his, but whenever I visited Ohio, I went and fished off of it. We almost sunk that boat. Actually, we were a few, maybe 10 or 5 gallons away from legitimately sinking that boat. Anyway, I'll share that for a different time, but just to add a little context to that shot right there. Yeah, that bass boat, I think in the time that we owned it, it never saw a single fish. But we did almost sink it. Lost videos. Jesus, this is loud. Oh my God. Definitely didn't have the audio thing down yet. Early spring bluegills. Nothing, might I add, nothing beats an early spring bluegill bite. Damn. Dude.
There he is right there.
Chunky bluegills.
Bluegill. Oh, there we go. Got another one. This is a nice one. I think this might be a crappie. Oh, it's another bluegill. Okay.
So to spare you guys the life points and to spare me the life points, essentially this is a 8-minute and 30-second long video of me catching bluegill the size of my pinky toe. But it's still a banger. So this next video you're about to watch was filmed in 2011. This is when I was kind of edging into my pre-pubescent era. So we should get some voice cracks here. Voice should start getting a little bit lower. Hey guys, welcome back to Fishing in the Midwest. You know, so just stuff like that, keep in mind. Repping the Tackle Warehouse shirt, deadly. Got the John Deere hat too, the old-fashioned OG John Deere hat. And you guys keep asking me on the gram where that thing went. I still have it. It is literally just falling apart at the pieces. So I don't wear it anymore, and it also doesn't really fit me. So I still have it. I just don't wear it because it doesn't fit me. But maybe I'll get a new one, right? John Deere, if you're out there, send me some hats. I need them. Mine are all busted.
Hey guys, and welcome to another episode.
Oh, damn, dude, my voice is deeper then than it is now. What
on the lake again. Gonna be doing some fishing, gonna be throwing jigs today. You know, I'm gonna try to work the spinnerbait.
The last videos we were watching were in early 2010. Now we are viewing a crispy upload from the JoJo Bars, uploaded on 2011. Puberty is a beautiful, beautiful thing. Holy shit. It's incredible as to how different I am in both videos. I actually had no idea I grew up that fast, but apparently I did.
First, we're probably gonna hit some wood around here. Got some really good spots in which I want to hit some wood.
Yeah, I probably should have rephrased that. Hitting some wood. Maybe, John, next time we just say fishing some wood. Fish is, I think, is a better verb. I had to reiterate it too. We're gonna hit some wood. I'm gonna be hitting some wood. As you can see, the videos get a lot less cringy the later I upload. 2011 was kind of the cutoff for the cringe. Occasionally, I'll do something unintentionally that is just, it's hard to watch, you know, like hitting the wood, like I'll say stuff like that. But for the most part, it's not that bad. Definitely the cutoff for cringe was like late 2010. And all those Lake X videos previous to then were just so either boring. I don't know if cringe is the right word. I think it's just boring. They're just hard to watch. And it's incredible that some of you guys, if there are any out there, who have been watching since that time are still sticking with this. Like, you guys even still have any brain cells left to continue to watch my videos, because the beginning ones were just a little bit brutal. You know, I want to say there's probably some videos in here that I maybe put on private because they were just so bad. Oh, here's a good one. My second video I ever filmed. How did I miss this gem? This beautiful freaking gem. I don't know if I've ever posted about this video. I'm sure I have on the channel. It's quite possibly one of my most uncomfortable uploads yet. So uncomfortable that I even went to the liberty to put this on private, meaning it literally bent me that much. Oh, okay. Update on Fishing the Midwest.
Welcome to Fishing Midwest. This is just an informational video to tell you guys I won't be making any videos in the next couple weeks, obviously, because things have been kind of...
Damn, couple weeks? Talk about a hefty blue ball there. Like, upload one banger and you're not uploading for another few weeks? Dude, unsubscribe. This is bull. No, but seriously, like, what the hell was I thinking? Maybe I'm confused. Did I have videos after that one? Or was I seriously just like, yo, we're on a one upload a month program right now? John B was a different beast back then. He's got a Woodstock shirt on. He's playing guitars in his intro. There's that sweet crafty poster in the back. You know, angsty. It's angsty times for this kid. Anyway, I don't really, I don't know what is. Yeah. Obviously, I made this video because I didn't want to leave you guys hanging. I didn't catch any fish today, and I just didn't want to scrap this video that I already started. But I also wanted to make it to give you guys a laugh and to show you as a testimony that you yourself can go out there and create content with the ideas that you have, with the stories that you want to tell, and the passion behind that, and be successful. Dude, if I can go out there at the age of 13, 14 years old, go on YouTube when it was still fresh and new and create these just brutal videos and be where I'm at today, that's just proof, you know, it's proof that it's possible. I'm signing out. I love you beautiful Jeets so much. Thank you guys for tuning in. Maybe on the next Lake X outing in a few days, I'll crank on some megalodons. But for now, we're gonna end today's video with some grade A free range level 10 cringe. Thanks for the video. I'm peacing out. As always, folks, keep fishing. Never stop.